Hey, Travis here. Today's I'm going to be doing a advice video. Basically, this is something I wanted to review, and I don't know if you're aware of. In case you don't know, I rarely subscribe to new channels. Why? That's because I know that there's some that are usually toxic, abusive, mainly because of if someone commit a felony crime or any of that stuff. I'm not bashing your opinion or anything. It's just advice that I have. In case if you're a teenager or a younger viewer of mine that's going through a rough time, I'm suggesting this to try and decrease victim cards and that other stuff. Which let's not talk about bad users. It's that topic. So I hope you all enjoy. And don't worry, my Thomas Media collection will be due in sometime this week. Actually, so I ordered a quite a few stuff that will be arriving shortly. So I hope you all enjoy. I might do my collection sometime either like Friday or something. Stay tuned.